Hello everyone, today I have an unboxing. So this box is from speedcube.com.au, so let's unbox it. So let's just cut it, open it. As you can see, we have a custom 5x5, that way, and a Qiyi bag, and some magnets. So let's just open all this. Okay, it's the bag, there's anything else inside, and anything else? No. Okay, so here's the first box. So actually, let's start off with the Qiyi bag, of course. So I already have one, I just need a new one. So I'm pretty sure that this can just come right off. Can you scissors? Yep, it can. And here it is. So here is the WuShuang bag, like that. That looks really nice. Nice material, and we can open it up, and we have all we have right here. There's already like reviews and comparisons of it, so you can just look down on YouTube. But that's the Qiyi bag. Now the most exciting of all, I'm gonna just cut it out, me opening it. But this is the new CustomLine speedcube.com.au's 5x5. It's CustomLine from a Qiyi box, that's pretty cool. And we have the magnets, so I can make my very own magnetic cube, which I really need. And we have the business card. So please check them out, speedcube.com.au. That's it in the box. Now to try out the cube, which I haven't done. So let's open it. That was really easy to open. So no wrapping. Okay, so there's nothing in the box, no pamphlets or everything. So here's the cube. It's not really greasy on the outside, and really nice Moyu shades. No, not Moyu, I mean Qiyi shades. Okay, now first turns. Ooh, that feels really nice. Oh, there's like a click on the inners and the outers. The outers feel a little bit stronger than the inners. Wow, this feels really good. Wow, all of those stay intact. Like it doesn't really like flex around that much when I'm doing an elk. Like look at this, and it's really stable when I turn it. This feels really nice. I can execute parity a little bit quicker. So let's check out the M slices. Ooh, they actually kind of work, kind of. Oh, you can actually do elves on this, maybe, I don't know. Okay, that got a bit mixed up, but why don't we scramble it and give it a solve? So before I do the 5x5 solve, I want to thank everyone very much for watching this video, and I want to thank speedcube.com.au for making this video possible. So thanks a lot, bye.